Hi everyone, this is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis from Point Trader Group. This week we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here that the pair is traded below a strong resistance level, that is the downtrend line that we can see here. Also we have this resistance level, that is the horizontal line that could be found at 1.1242. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence for an expected movement to the downside, but first of all, we are going to wait for the pair to reach this area. Then in case it shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short. On the other hand, if these two levels are broken, then the price might continue going upwards to reach at least 1.14 during this week, conditioned by the breakout of this area, these two levels that we can see here. Now let's move to the GBP USD on the daily time frame. As you can see here that the pair managed to break through a strong resistance area, that is 1.2790. Now the price is traded above it, so this is the rollover that the price is traded above it now, which means that it is a support level. So this simply means that the price might continue going upwards to reach the level of 1.30 1.31 during this week, conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.2790. And this is actually where we can look for some bullish evidence to go long again, just in case the price goes downwards. Just keep in mind that the Euro USD would move the same way that the GBP moves. So in this case, you want to watch these two pairs, how they move together, and then decide whether you can enter the market or not. Now let's move to the gold on the daily time frame. It is still traded within a descending channel. This is the upside and this is the downside. The price is traded just below the upside of this channel, so this means the price might continue going downwards to reach the level of 1.460. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside, but the main scenario is that as long as the price is traded below the upside of this descending channel, then we can go short targeting the level of 1.460 during this week. On the other hand, if the upside is broken, then this means that the price might continue going upwards to reach at least 1.520 during this week. Finally, with the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame, as you can see here that the pair is traded below a strong resistance level, that is 0.6890, and this is actually a strong resistance level. So the price, if there is a breakout, the price breaks through this level, then it might continue going upwards to reach this resistance level, that is the downtrend line. And in case the downtrend line is broken, then this actually confirms that we have a double bottom pattern. So this means that we have targets to the upside, and our first target is going to be 0.71. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.